So guys, now on our pound USD, before you go, if you find this video helpful, I want you to subscribe, like and share. As you can see on our pound against our USD, as we've predicted for this week, we would want to be going bullish on our pound. Now we've actually got this retracement we are actually aiming for, and now it is time to actually go bullish. By the way, day before yesterday we had a bullish move, which was on Monday. On Tuesday we had a bullish move, and guess what? I believe we'll be having a bullish move again. But first of all, we should actually see a retracement come down to this our liquidity area level here, and we'll now see a push up, continue break up, at least to break above this our liquidity area here. So I'm seeing a retracement on my daily time frame to hit this our liquidity level here. So we'll continue going bullish, exactly what I am aiming for on our pound USD. As we can see now, we're going to see on our 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we are actually on an uptrend, right? We've actually got a retracement, and guess what? We're actually, planning to go bullish on this our pound USD. By the way, so you should actually go bullish, hit this top here, thereby giving us a double top. Then we'll probably be seeing a retracement and a bullish move. So, but by the way, let's see, our pound is starting, red. We'll starting red, but at least we'll be able to see a push up around this key area here. We'll be able to see the push up on our pound USD for today. But let's see how our price will place out. Above all, we are going bullish against our USD. Since our DXY would actually be falling, we are aiming for a fall on our DXY. Definitely our pound against our DXY, which is our USD, would actually be going bullish for the day. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.